In this video, we're looking at the product rule for probability. So the product rule is mainly used for multi-stage experiments or tests, such as tossing 2 coins and rolling 2 die. You've got multiple things happening. So for independent events, you just simply times the 2 probabilities of the 2 outcomes. So if A and B are independent, what that means is that if A occurs, it doesn't have any impact on the probability of B occurring. So the probability of both is just the product of those 2 things. So if the sample space changes, for example, usually for questions that include like without replacement, those aren't independent, because if the probability of one thing happening affects the probability of the second, it's conditional, therefore it's not independent. So here's an example. We have a box that contains 2 black marbles, 5 red marbles, and 4 green marbles. If I draw 2 marbles at random, replace in the first, before drawing the second, find the probability that they will be red, both be red. So the thing here is, let's find the probability of it being red, just red to start with. So that's going to be 5 over 11. And then we're saying that this is happening twice. So we want to find the probability of red, red. And because the question says it's replacing it before the second one comes out, we know that it is independent. The probabilities aren't changing. So it's going to be the probability of red times the probability of red. All right. Therefore, we have 5 over 11 times 5 over 11. And what we end up with is 25 over 121. So that is as far as most questions you'll see with this type of product rule, is that you're dealing with things that don't change. You're dealing with these independent probabilities. So you simply times any of the probabilities that occur.